Physical layer. The physical layer is the first and lowest layer of the OSI model, focusing on the hardware that transmits raw data bits. Think of it like the physical cables, plugs, and electrical pulses that carry signals between devices. It defines the physical connection and the electrical or optical signals used to represent digital data. Data link layer. Data link layer provides node-to-node data transfer and handles error correction from the physical layer. Think of it as a local delivery driver moving packages within a single neighborhood. It uses MAC addresses to ensure data reaches the correct physical hardware on your local network. Network layer. The network layer is responsible for routing data packets across different networks. Think of it like a GPS for the internet. It uses IP addresses to determine the best path for your data to take, so it can travel from your computer to a server located halfway around the world. Transport layer. The transport layer manages the end-to-end communication between devices and ensures data arrives reliably. Think of it as a post office clerk who breaks a large shipment into smaller boxes, numbers them, and verifies they all arrive safely at the destination in the correct order. Session layer. The session layer sets up, coordinates, and terminates the conversations between two applications. Think of it like a phone operator who establishes a connection, ensures both parties can hear each other, and hangs up once the conversation is finished. It keeps separate data streams organized during the interaction. Presentation layer. The presentation layer translates data between the network format and the application format. Think of it like a professional translator or an interior decorator. It handles encryption, compression, and ensures that the data is in a syntax the receiving application can actually read and display correctly. Application layer. The application layer is the top layer where users interact directly with software like web browsers and email clients. Think of it like the front desk of a hotel. It provides the services and protocols that allow your apps to communicate over the network and show you the final results.